Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot on a FOSSIBOT F101. To do this, we'll need to open the SIM card slot, which should be located on the left side of our device. It's protected by this rubber right here. So take the SIM ejection tool, stick it inside the gap, and then we can try to remove it, which probably is kind of hard because I don't know who designed this, but okay. It was a bit risky, but here we have the SIM card, and it seems that there's one SIM slot right here, and we can try to insert another SIM card where the SD card should be right there. So let's try it. Okay, fits nicely. Now let's try to lock it in. Okay, and now we need to unlock our phone. Go to the settings. And for some reason the phone is in different language, but anyway, stick with me. I'm gonna check if there's a dual SIM slot. And yep, it got detected, so that means you have dual SIM slot on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.